My name is Ifediri. My friends call me Obego. Everyone has a story to tell. And I am not an exception. My story will break your heart.
It's because of this your selfishness that you were chased out of your husband's house and you have come here to share from my own husband's property. Hey, Oga Hawa Koroge, Gloria. Chidogo. How many times did I call you? Give up a pork meat that for no Anesi Gejipana for You're looking for my trouble. You are looking for my trouble. Hey, Gloria, if you like, call me 1 million times or 100 times. I don't care. But you see peace, you will not know peace in this house. Peace giver. Peace giver. I am tired of this your nonsense, and I'm not going to tolerate it again. And I'm even not working. I won't tolerate it from you. I am not your ashamed of yourself. Are you not ashamed of yourself? You're not ashamed of yourself. Go back to your husband's house and drag properties there. Not in my own husband's house. This is my husband's house. And then I will be in my father's house. There is nothing you and your husband will do about it. Yes, okay.
What is it?
Okanuna.
What is it again? Huh? Every new day, new parent. New day, new parent. Why?
Come on, get out.
Your noise is disturbing the whole compound.
Wait, let me remind you something. In case you have forgotten, in this your miserable life, have you asked your mother who is your father? Because you're a bastard. Hey! It is a bastard. Who is your father? You know your father. I am married and I am in my husband's house. Qualification. Husband qualification. Look at what you are bragging. What you are bragging. He just reminded me. What have you done? Have you seen her? Have you seen the way she threw away my wrapper? Ekwensu, God will punish you. God will punish you. Why are you trying to frustrate me in my own father's house? Huh? God, what is this? Hey! Wait, let me remind you something. In case you have forgotten, in this your miserable life, have you asked your mother who is your father? Because you're a bastard son. Hey!
What is it? Why are you crying?
My husband, you have to do something now, very fast. Your sister and her son almost killed me. They beat me up mercilessly. Now all my body is paining me. This is I've been crying since yesterday. Since yesterday that you left.
You mean Gloria and her son beat you up?
Yes, my husband. You know I cannot lie to you.
What happened?
So, just because I mistakenly, by mistake, and I poured water beside their room. Finish.
Beside their room. Look at your wall. Beside their room. Which their room? You can only say that you pour water inside their husband's compound. Eh? Ah. Gloria. Don't worry. Just calm down. Don't worry. You will see what I will do to them now. Gloria! Come out! Anatagom, you're asking your husband. I'm your brother, I'm not your husband. So you and that your good for nothing son have got to beat my wife in her husband's house.
Beat your wife?
Yes.
Is that what she told you?
Yes. Well, let me warn you, this will be the first and last. You will lay your hand on her again. Eh? You better leave this house. I'm your brother, I'm not your husband.
Hey, this is my father's house.
Your father's house, yes. You have married. You're supposed to be in your husband's house, not here. No, you will not live here forever. So, me never gonna associate.
Shouting at me that I should go back to my husband's side and this place is not my house. It is not my father's house. Don't I have right to be in my own father's house?
No, it's okay. See, Mama, this is getting out of hand. I have to report this matter to Uncle Ogbeni and Auntie. It's getting out of hand now.
Have they all not been here? And he's been mistreating us. What have they done? They always pretend as if they don't see anything he's doing to us.
It's okay. Just calm yourself down. I cannot watch Uncle Abushi beat you up.
He didn't beat me up. He only told me bad words. He said I shouldn't talk to him. Is he not my brother as well?
No, Ozgo. Just wipe your tears. Calm yourself down. Okay? Ozgo. Uncle Abushi.
Brother, there is something I want to discuss with you. Huh?
I'm here with you.
Please, I don't want you to get angry.
Okay.
It's about Sister Gloria and her children. Brother, I don't like the way you treat them. They are still our family. Despite the fact that her marriage did not work out. You're not supposed to be treating them the way you are doing. It's not good now.
Hey, wait, I'm sorry.
I hope all is well.
No, I'm coming.
You are back.
Sorry, I forgot something, eh?
Chinenye, my sister, you know I love you. Nothing you will tell me that I will not do. I heard all you said. You know Gloria is first daughter in this family. It's not that I'm treating them bad, just that sometimes she can behave funny. Okay, but from what you said, I will try my best. I will try my best. She's my sister. Eh? Thank you very much. Eh?
Thank you, brother. Thank
Okay.
you.
Let me go and continue what I was doing.
Okay, brother. Thank you.
Complete water.
Okay, brother.
Uncle, I came to report something to you. I would have come yesterday, but before I finished what I was doing, it's late already. So I decided to come today. It's about Uncle Abuchi. Please help me talk to him and his wife to stay away from me and my mother. It's becoming too much, Uncle.
Ifediri, what is it again? Ogini mepalozo, ogini biya.
Uncle Abuchi fights us every day. Uncle, it's like they don't want us to stay in that compound anymore.
Ifediri, my son. I don't want to do anything with my brother Abuchi. So talking to him is out of it. Don't worry, I will see your mother. So we'll work out something for peace. Okay?
Uncle, at least it's okay now. Thank you so much, Uncle. I appreciate it.
I won't go with you.
I haven't.
Okay, no, sir.
Yes, Papa, of course.
What about the food? Yeah, the food
is ready.
Okay, take your cousin inside. Then tell your mom to serve him food, okay?
Yes, Daddy.
Uncle.
Now, get touch you.
I'll touch you everything.
Also, I don't come, man. Hey! Abuchi. Abuchi.
What Abuchi and his wife are doing to me and my son is getting out of hand. Sometimes I feel as if I should kill myself. The humiliation is too much. You should have seen the way she threw my wrap on the ground. I was, I don't have money to buy something like that.
It's okay, Gloria. Stop lamenting. Stop lamenting. Stop crying. And how long are you going to continue like this? Stop crying. You know? Where do he want you to go? Why would he be frustrating you in your own father's house?
I don't know.
Is it not said that when a woman is being pursued in her husband's house, she will run to her father's house? Oburia?
My brother said it's an abomination that I don't have a place in my father's house.
It's a lie. Stop crying. Is it why you will kill yourself? They don't want this word you have just spoken. Please, let there be calmness in your heart. You know? Wait, what is even wrong with Abuchi?
I don't know.
Why is he behaving like as if he's the only first son in this world?
Sister, you should have seen the way the wife threw away my wrapper. You know how hard it is for me even eat, let alone buying soap to wash my clothes.
That Abuchi's
put
wife.
it on the ground.
That Abuchi's wife, don't worry about Jienko.
Sister, please don't forget to come. I will be on my way now. Don't forget to come,
I
please.
promised and I will do that.
Thank
you know, I will keep my word. Let me come and settle this matter once and for all. You know, it's okay.
I'll be on my way.
Wipe your tears, oh? Cry. I don't want to hear you cry again.
Oh, sister.
What is even wrong with my brother Abuchi? Eh? Why would he treat his own sister like a slave in his father's house? Hi.
Brother, what is this that I am hearing?
Imagine Gloria. Imagine Gloria. We are now co-wives. And as on here now. But one thing I know, she will not have peace in this house unless she packs out and go back to her husband's place.
Exactly.
Because I know her plan. Maybe all this noise. She's trying to invoke our papa's spirit to come and fight for her.
And the worst part of it, they don't even know how to keep the house clean. Look at the way they litter dirt everywhere. Dirty set of people.
And they say, Chinenye, you're supposed to do something. You are a woman. You are one of the adults in this family. Why are you keeping quiet? Act like a woman.
Yes.
I know you have not married, but do something. You are a human being.
Okay.
Is she only Ada in this
Where are they? Where are they? Where is that Gloria? Where is she? Gloria, come out and face me, Gloria. You are a very stupid woman. Come out and face me. Wherever you are hiding, come out. I will teach you a very big lesson you will never forget in your life. Where is she? Gloria, come out and face me, stupid woman. Elder sister, my foot. Come out here and face me. I will deal with you today. Me and you in this house. You're welcome. Where is your stupid mother?
Auntie, point of correction. My mother is not stupid.
If she is not stupid, then who is? She is a very stupid woman. I will not leave this place until I see her. Gloria, come out! Oh, come out! Ifediri, come out! I'm waiting for you. And you, if you like, walk away. I will not leave this place until I see Gloria. I will deal with her today. Me and her in this house today.
My
Gloria,
mother is not stupid.
Ooh, she's a very stupid woman.
Thank you everyone for honoring this meeting. Family is always a family. As the first child of this home, it is my duty to make sure that there is peace. Madu Abuchi and Chidog, can you please tell us why you are having issues with Gloria and her son?
Yeah. Enokwa. First child, my foot. Are you commanding them?
Chinenye, I can see that you are now out of your mind. Chinenye, I'm not the reason for your problem. I am not the reason you are still in this house at your age.
So now you are mocking her because she has not married. See now, because you are not baby. Please, mind the way you talk to her. She has the same right like you in this family.
Whoa! Yes. Then I don't have the right.
You yourself go back to your husband's place.
Bravo, stop insulting our senior sister like that. Father taught us to respect our seniors.
Say father may again, father may you.
What happened to that values?
Values?
Yes.
Look at you. Our father is late. I'm your father now. You will respect
me. You are not behaving like a father. Brabushi, behave like a father.
I can see you have grown wings. You can talk to me anyhow.
Enough, Abushi. Abushi, why didn't you? These people here are your juniors. Why are you insulting yourself before them? Why are you insulting yourself?
Okay.
And do you Chidiogo?
I don't want to hear my name in your mouth.
Bukocha.
Seven, if you want peace, take Gloria to your house.
Exactly.
Take Gloria to your house. It's not in this house. I don't want her. Let her come to your house. You are telling you want to pay. You are commanding me in my house.
Then you go in and concosa.
Go again. The back is what I want.
Nobody idiot now. So you can talk to my wife.
If I slap you, I can't slap. Eh?
Property. Wife.
Gloria, go back to your husband's house.
Yes.
Gloria,
I can
how many
see
times?
that you people don't want this meeting.
You don't want
I
it.
don't want it.
Problem. I will take this matter to the elders.
Okay.
Since it's like this,
Okay.
no problem. But always remember that I'm your senior sister.
You are my senior sister.
Yes.
Then you will shit on top of me.
Because I'm telling you the truth.
Okay. Oh, more
This is so tiring. Sister, I'm tired. Why is Abijah treating me like this? My own blood brother, frustrating my life to this extent. Adamomejia, what did I do to him that he will make him to hate me this much? I don't understand.
I don't understand our brother anymore. That's it.
This is happening because we don't have understanding in this family. And other mama.
Things have gotten out of hand. As you can see, I am not even accepted to treat this matter. So all I have to do now is to take it to the elders, like I said over there.
Sister, I am tired. I'm thirsty. I'm so dehydrated. I want to drink water. Where is Ifediri?
Call him now.
Sister, I need that water too.
Ifediri! Hey, brother, I will not be alive to see Gloria and her son and that her daughter take over what belongs to you. It can never happen.
It's not possible. I will not give him a portion of land as inheritance. I will not. How can Wadiana?
Impossible.
No, no. It's not
Impossible. Amamme, Onuna, Mba. He should go to his family and ask for a land there. Because you see this place, he will not see anything.
No space for him.
There's no way. Just Gloria is looking for my trouble. She's looking for my trouble. Leaving her husband's house, come here to drag land.
Can you imagine?
No, it's not possible. I will not give them any land, even half land. Bastard.
My children have not even seen enough inheritance. Eh? Now they want to come and share with us.
I know how to handle this people.
You know, I gave them that apartment just that I thought that maybe by 2 days, 3 days they will go. I don't know she has come to stay.
To quarrel and drag properties to us.
Not possible. Ifediri, I want to tell you something. Ifediri, you are my son. And see all this quarrel and fighting we have been having is not necessary. We need to live in peace and harmony. Eh?
Well, uncle, you are my uncle. And I'm so much excited today. I'm happy, uncle.
Then you will find a place in your heart and forgive me for all I have done.
Uncle, I have forgiven you. You are my uncle. And you know I respect you so much. I have.
My son, as you can see, I'm traveling. When I come back, we will celebrate our new life. Hug me, my son.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye-bye, sir. Let me up. All right, so bye-bye. Yeah. wonder shall never end. Uncle Abuchi. Hey! Mama! Hey!
Go and call your brother. Let him come and carry his food. Okay.
Mama, he's not shivering. I think he's sick. Oh. Mama, he's sick. Come and see him now.
What?
Mama, please come.
Here. Oh. God, 1 week, one trouble. Sick. Nah. Ife? What is it? Nah. Hey! What happened? What is wrong with you?
Mama, I'm not feeling fine. I don't know what is wrong with me, Mama.
Sudden sickness. Now get up. Get up. Let me take you to your uncle. Let's go to our homes, please. Hey! Get up. Hello, ma'am. Up on Adam. Easy. Careful. Let me take you to your uncle's place. Go.
Okay, Mama.
Come.
Alright, Mama.
Hey!
Mama, later, oh. People should come back on time, oh.
Sister, good morning. Onetobi. Ifediri, what is wrong with him now?
I don't know. He suddenly became like this.
Hey, I heard the voice.
Very hot.
Sister, what is wrong with Ifediri now?
Oh, am I a doctor? Neither a nurse. He's like this now.
Hey!
Oh, I want us to do something before it gets worse.
Okay, I know what to do. Yes, I'll have to take him somewhere for body check. Yes.
Let's do it. Let's hurry and do it.
Where's the key? Hey! Ifediri.
Get off.
Sister, wait.
The slippers.
Hey!
The slippers.
I'm not so fast. You can't tell.
No, can't you find me?
No, I have to sit down. Hey! How will I walk? It's very hot too. Oh!
Easy.
Hey! Is it not getting Meronia?
I don't know.
Cheru. Hey! Cheru can't tell me. Hey! You know what? You know how you attack. If I did, I'll pay you baby. Auntie, you get children, huh? I'm at the end. You dem hack off. Hey! Now, whip up.
Hi. God. Don't let anything happen to my son. Don't let anything happen to him. Because I will die. I won't survive it. He is my brother, I know. he's my husband, I know. He's the only family I have at this point in my life. Only family I have today. Ife,
Ma.
How are you now?
I'm fine.
Hey, Ma. God, thank you. Thank you for restoring my son's health. Eh? Chukwekene. Obum.
What does this was wrong with him?
Ọkwa ntụtụ. Ntụtụ ka awụkọrọ ya na.
Hey!
That evil man of a brother inflicted him with a disease called ntụtụ.
That's pain.
Bam. Ntụtụ.
I have always known that my brother is evil. My brother is wicked. Obitali Yamiri. But it will not be well with him. It will not be well with him.
So, this is what Uncle Abuchi was planning when he asked to make peace with me.
No peace for the wicked, though. No peace for the wicked.
But that is the way of the evil one. That is the way of the wicked one. They will subtly come and make peace with you in order to strike. And you never see it coming. That is their ways. You see, my brother, every evil he's perpetrating against you and I, he will pay with his life.
Amen.
He will surely pay.
Amen.
Now, are you hungry now?
Yes, I am.
You can eat.
Yes, I can.
Hey! Come, let's go home. Let me prepare you something to eat. Na.
Okay,
Let's go.
Sister.
Obum. Namdalo. Dalo is one name. Oh, God, thank you. Dalo is home. Dalo one name. Let's go home.
Ifediri, sir, be careful.
Thank you, sir.
Hey!
Oh. Who is mad enough? Mtoto.
Divine, why did you pour water here? Huh? Why are you messing up the compound? Dirty girl.
But auntie, you were the one that just pour this water now.
Eh? It's a guinea. So now I am lying. I am lying, Divine. So now I am lying, Abby. I am lying. Why are you crying? Why are you crying?
It's not gonna beat me.
Beat you?
Yes, Mama.
What did you do to her?
I did not do anything.
Are you sure? Come with me.
Jada! Why didn't you ask your stupid, dirty daughter why she poured water here, messing up the compound? Why didn't you ask her?
Mama, don't mind that. She's lying. She was the one that poured the water.
So now, I am a liar. Okwaya? Okay. I can see. Like mother, like daughter. Nonsense.
Hey! Stand there. Look at my face. Let today be the last time, very last time you will touch my daughter with those your worthless hands. Else
what? Oh, else what, Gloria? You will not do anything.
I will kill you.
You will not do anything. You cannot do anything.
You are biting more than you can chew.
You cannot do anything.
You are biting more than
You
you
see
can
this
chew.
house? You will
Barren.
have no peace. You will have no peace, oh. You see this house? I told you. You will not know peace, oh. There is no peace for the wicked. Okwagi, Gloria, Ogbeni, come on, come on.
What is it? Eh? Ogbeni.
Auntie, sorry.
Eh? Ogbeni.
Auntie, I take you as my mother. I'm sorry. Auntie, I take you as my own mother. Why are you people treating us like this, Auntie?
Ifediri, I also take you as my son. But the attitude of your so-called mother has changed everything. That's good. I don't have your time now.
I'm back. I'm back. Back to land. Where are they?
Just go. Just go for now. I don't have your time. Go.
Okay. I'm back. Ah! Gloria, you. You are very, very stupid. In short, you are an idiot. I will make sure I pull you out of this compound. As for that bastard you called your son, he will not inherit anything in this family. Oh, Abuchi, sorry. I pity you. Because I can only give you a little portion of land. I'm back. You're back.
When did you start drinking again?
Drinking?
Eh?
Once upon a time. Once upon the time. Robin, I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm okay here. I'm okay here. Are you the one that brought me back?
You're not okay.
Go and get me food.
Your food is inside. Let's go inside. Please get up. Brother, you know drinking is not good for your health. Stop drinking now. Stand up, Biko. You are too heavy. Let's go inside.
Are you a driver now? Allow me, let me drive myself.
Oh, let's go. I'm your
You want to drive me?
Yes, I want to drive you.
I respect you because you are my lovely sister.
Thank you.
I believe you all know the reason for this gathering. The elders in council have heard your petitions, and they have sent me as a representative to find out the problem in this family. Biko, what exactly is the problem? Why can't you people live in harmony? What is it?
Ichie, that question should be directed to Gloria here to answer.
Hey, look at that.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Gloria, let's go.
Leave me alone.
Chinaya, if you don't have any meaningful contribution to make to this, keep quiet. Your utterance has just scattered a meeting that's just started. Again.
Emeka, I can see. I saw it when it was coming. Because I know you have been bribed. Look at what you are saying, Emeka. Yes. See, let me ask you one question. If your sister left her husband's place to come back here to drag property with you in your house, what will you do?
Brother Abuchi, what you are doing in this family, I don't like it. What you are doing is not good. What you are doing in this family is not good.
Look at Idi Amin.
Again, who is Idi Amin?
See the property I'm dragging. Bucket. Where property not drag?
Oh, yeah, carry that thing back.
I will not carry it.
Carry that
thing. It's okay.
I have respected you enough. Oh, yeah, carry that thing back. Please cool down.
Calm down.
It is very, very clear that the problem you people have in this family, Beriben Afeju agreed.
Oh. You are a liar.
Yeah.
Says who?
Me.
Says
you.
him.
And that is what I will tell the others in council.
I can see. I can see.
Eh?
I can
Why
see
can't people live in harmony?
Prince. Look at. They are walking.
Labuchi is the person causing problem in this family.
Part of the families.
Can't you leave the peace?
Why can't you behave yourself?
Let's go.
Look at them.
He's the one causing problem in this family.
Yeah?
He's Labuchi. He will
property.
know. Evil man.
My dear, that was what happened.
You mean she Emeka? That means they have bribed that man.
Yes, my dear. They have bribed him. I am so disappointed in that man. Yes. If you see the way he was supporting them, that the elders sent him to come and investigate. I can't even recall what he was saying. That man is a very useless man.
I know. That man.
Hi! He was there, blabbing his mouth. I was just looking at him. Huh? Hi! No problems. Let him continue.
Are you still discussing Emeka? You have time. Emeka, idiot. Look at him. Big tummy, afuku. Oh, bribe read on afu. Supporting my sister for leaving her husband's house to come and drag land with me. Okay, supporting her. Look at his tummy. Boom, 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 boom. My pure wires.
My husband.
My brother, don't
I
mind
know
him.
what you can do. I trust you very well.
Right. We shall see about that.
Trust you.
Yes.
I am so happy that the elders now know the truth. Abuchi and the others might be thinking that we bribed the elders to speak in our favor.
Ejigo.
It is obvious that the elders know what to do.
Honestly, you know elders in their usual way. And I'm here taking things, you know what I mean? If anybody had told me that the elders will not be biased in this matter, I wouldn't have believed it.
When God is with you,
nobody can be against you.
Oh.
Eh?
Oh.
And the truth prevailed in the mouth of Emeka. And the truth came out in our favor.
Yes.
That means God is with us.
You said,
It's too much.
Hey, Abuchi, evil man.
I'm not on no. Don't you remember how so hard they say against me? They're all against me. Why? Okagu, I have come. Odogu Abia, I have come. Leria. I have come to know why Emeka has decided to speak against me. Against your servants, supporting all those fools. No, it will not happen. You have to do something because I want to break the forces that are uniting them against me. All the forces that are uniting them against me, I want to break it. And I know you will do it. I know you will do it. Okofo, Njeko, Leje, I want you to do something. Scatter them. Let them hate each other. Fight each other. Okofo, speaking against me, against your servant. Obaraka. It's not for nothing. Something is behind it, and I want to break that. I want to break it. Ifediri, what are you doing? You are cooking. Where? In my compound. Because I'm keeping quiet. Now you have got to cook in my compound. Ifediri. Uncle, what is it now? Oh, you are dragging the pot with me. See, Ifediri, you will not cook inside this compound. Every corner of this compound belongs to me. You don't have any right to cook here. You better go to Market Square and cook, or better still, go to Emeka's house. He will allow you. Not in my compound. Uncle, oh yeah, you can go with your pot. Go and look for where to cook. Not in my compound. Uncle, respect yourself, oh. Uncle, respect yourself. That I'm keeping quiet doesn't mean I can't fight you back, Uncle. The next time you try this, you see what will happen. Hey, Ifediri, you are threatening me. So you are threatening me, Ifediri? Uncle, try it next time. You see what will happen. Hey! I said it.
What gave you the effort
Gloria
to insult my husband?
Hey!
What do you call it?
Gloria. People are just coming out gradually, small. Ifediri, your woman, you better behave yourself. Because if you don't, I'll deal with you here. Try me. Ifediri, do you know the person you are talking to? My wife, my own wife, Ifediri. You are talking to my wife in that manner. Eh? Ifediri? So you are talking to Uncle.
Hey! Ifediri!
I want you. Try me next time. I will not stand up. I will see. My kinsmen will come here. So, this is your plan. Okay, relax. This is the beginning. Go. Somebody should go and call Emeka for me. Okay, one family. You pushed us down. Okay. Where are you going?
Hey, my husband, though. Ukumo. Hey, husband. You will not help me.
Come, let's go. Come, let's go.
My elder, I greet you.
And Uchenna, I hope all is well.
Well, all is well, but all is not well.
Okay.
Anyways, thanks to the God that I met you at home. It's because of that son of my sister, Ifediri. Ifediri did abominable. He fought my brother Abuchi and his wife and threw them to the ground.
It's not him.
Now. Aro Kongwa.
Well, hold on. What did Mother Abuchukwu and the wife do to warrant such a violent reaction from Ifediri?
Nothing. They did nothing. Please, come and help me chase that bastard away from my father's house. Jaja.
Uchenna, calm down. Calm down. And I don't go. Nzade be benono to.
Yeah.
Yes. I have to find out exactly what happened. I have to talk to all of them. So, I will summon them. I'll speak to them. And then I'll find out exactly what happened. Oh, you can go home.
Eh? You said I should go.
Yes, of course, you have to go.
Just like that.
And when you are going, please don't forget to close my gate so that my goats don't wander outside. Oh?
Auntie, you sent for me.
Ifediri, I heard you fought with your uncle and the wife. The news is everywhere. Even the council of elders have heard about it. So what happened?
Auntie, they started the fight. Uncle Abuchi wouldn't allow me to cook in the kitchen. He even tried to take away my cooking pot from the fire.
He did that?
Yes, he did. He even asked me not to cook in the kitchen anymore. I held my peace until Auntie Chidiogo came to attack me. Auntie, I had no option than to defend myself.
If that is the case, I have nothing more to say, since you did it in self-defense. Are you hungry?
Auntie, I am.
Go to the kitchen and serve yourself. Oh? There's jollof rice in the pot there.
Oh, jollof rice? Auntie.
Ifediri, I do not know you to be a violent person. So, I want you to tell me exactly what happened.
My elder, I was cooking in the kitchen when Uncle Abuchi came to stop me from cooking in there. He said I had no right to cook in there. He brought down my cooking pot from the fire. I told him not to try that again. I held my peace. Not until when Auntie Chidogo came to attack me for speaking rudely to her husband. As she claimed, Uncle, I had to fight back in self-defense.
Okay. Superman.
Sit down. Mother, is there any truth to what he just said?
Okay, you're asking me. You're asking me. Did I have any truth? From where? So you called me here to insult me because of this idiot. Look at the instigator. Look at. Gloria. But how much else I go mine? This guy was rude to me.
Is your wife
not? I'm a challenge. So bad there.
Mother Abuchi, I will not fail to tell you the truth. I am disappointed. You are the first son of the family. It is your duty, your sole responsibility to put your father's house in order. You are meant to bring everyone together. What is wrong with you? Okay, but you shouldn't be doing this.
Okay, you have concluded. I'm from Nerago for Irago for Bono Coco. That's so bad day. No problem. I heard you. Yeah, no problem. Okay. Now, look at me.
I kept my bucket here. Who took the bucket of water I dropped here? Wait, is this not my water? Who did this? Who did this?
I'm with the bucket. If our bucket are not yours, or did you come to this compound with any bucket? Eh?
Wait, this is not nice. What do you mean by that?
That's a stupid more than that question.
So it has gotten to the extent of even Amara. Father and mother has taught you to disrespect me and my family. Little Amara. No, it's fine. It's fine. It's not our bucket. It's your bucket. There's no problem. Little Amara. Like daughter, like father. No, it's fine.
My father will be with you shortly.
Oh, Dalo, Oma. Thank you.
Oh. She told me I had visitors. I didn't know it was you. This early morning visit. I hope all is well.
That is why we came this early.
What is it? Is she all is well? Thank you for speaking the truth. Hey, I have to speak the truth. I am an Nze Kambum. I must speak the truth.
Exactly. That is why we have come to say thank you. If not for the elders in council, what would I have done? I would not go to Jurumania. Or go member, in fact. Thank you so much. May the gods of this land keep you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
It is what we have to do. So, you are here. I must give you something. Let me get...
No. There's no need for that. Oh, we just came to appreciate you, but unfortunately, we're not able to get something to use to appreciate you.
Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself. See, the important thing is remembrance. The fact that you have spoken your words of appreciation is okay. I don't need anything from you. Let me get even if you are not going to take anything, I will bring cola nut. We will break cola for you to come here and say thank you. It is enough. But don't worry. I got watch. No. Let me get my cola. I'm coming. Let me get cola.
Divine, please go and get water for me to drink, please.
Can't you see I'm busy?
You are busy? That you can't get water for me to drink?
Yes. Go get water yourself.
Divine! Go and get water for me to drink!
If you're thirsty, go and get water yourself. I am busy. Stop stressing me.
Divine, I should stop stressing you. Go and get water for me to drink, Divine!
Go and get water yourself if you want to drink water. Leave me alone. I'm busy, please.
Divine! Get water for me to drink.
If I Ifediri! Leave me alone! Ifediri!
See, I'll slap you now.
Ifediri, avoid me! Oh.
I'll see, if I slap you now,
Leave me alone.
Odogun, that's all you're wrong. You got for the area for war. A workman deserve wages. You look all over, they are fighting each other now, and they will continue fighting. And when it no stop, I want to show appreciation. My appreciation is foul blood. I will drop it now. Once I'm dropping it, fight. Because when my father was alive, if my father changes his face like this, you know there is danger. Like father, like son. I have come to show appreciation for what you have done. They are fighting each other now, and they'll continue fighting. Then I will kill this fowl now too. Raise your hand. You are a winner. Oh, Odogu, and I'm what I can be doing. Oto ni se from tata iwere. I sing again and no more baroko. You will continue drinking foul blood. Oyawa. Eno ka na eme. Odogu na anwu obara. Continue drinking blood. Drink blood. Foul blood. As you are drinking this foul blood, they are fighting themselves. They will be fighting themselves. Continue drinking. Continue drinking. Come, what can
Man, this food is very delicious. Eating our money.
Mama, good afternoon, ma. What do you call it? GKS? Oh, what Baba? The one I
You want to have a from your farm?
Mama? There's no food in the pot. What about my food?
Are you really asking me that? If you know where you're coming from, go there. You cannot walk into Los Beggar and go to RCC to eat. That's brotherless babies home. They cry, but don't you give them arms. Go and walk. Walk and eat. I walked and made money. I bought it and got and I'm eating. What I know, what I am now is walk and eat.
Mama, I am very hungry. Talk to Mama now. Are you there looking at me? Oh, no, Mama. It's no problem. It's fine.
Did are you enjoying it?
Very sweet. Very delicious.
Don't bring that one. I kept inside blood from the point.
Thank you, Mama.
God will punish you.
Don't punish you, go down.
Sister, why is Ifediri not coming to my house anymore? Hope there is no problem.
I don't know. You know what? That is his business. If he likes, let him not come near the family again. I don't care.
Where is Ifediri now?
I don't know. As a matter of fact, let him go his way. For me, I have gone mine long time ago. I don't care whatever that happens to him.
Hey.
Nonsense.
This is very, very serious. Hey.
What is serious about it? Is he not grown enough to take care of himself?
Ifediri.
Or baby Kobo? Is he a baby?
What is happening? What is happening?
I don't know.
Sister, tell me what is happening in this family. Eh?
Ogbeni, why are you disturbing me like this?
You are my sister now. I will show concern.
And what is wrong with me? Am I not fine?
My husband. My husband. Ah, you needed to have seen Ifediri and his mother quarreling today. It was so sweet to watch. Hey.
They have not started. They will continue fighting until they fight in the market, unless they leave this compound. Gloria and her son.
My husband, do you know that it was just because of ordinary food?
You call it ordinary food?
Hey.
Ordinary food. They will still fight because of stove or machete or this. They will still fight. Anything small thing with this, they will start fighting. Gloria, my sister. I thought she came back just to stay some days and go. She left her husband's place to come back here and drag lance with me. No, it's not possible. They will continue fighting. Idiot.
I trust you, my husband.
Mwadiala for that matter. My sister! My sister!
They have not
left her husband's place just to come here and grant land. I will give her son a portion of land. And they will continue fighting. They have not started. Go
They have not seen anything. Eh? I tell them, come and share the good news with you.
It's better.
Hey!
The reason I called is because of the report your son Ifediri brought. Ifediri said you suddenly started maltreating him. What is the problem?
Ifediri reported me to you. And you sent for me to come from all the way my house to come and see you on account of that. When they came to see me to give me this your message, I was doing something very important. I was very, very busy. I shall be on my way now because I don't have anything to say. To waste my time talking about Ifediri. Excuse me.
Gloria, are you walking out on me?
I am walking in on you. You see what is happening there? What do you do? Come there and preach and preach and preach. Is preaching action? Is it action? Come and beat me now. Get up from there, come and beat me. She not sister Mbo.
Gloria, are you talking to me like that?
I'm talking to myself. Come on, get up. Why are you sitting there? Come and beat me.
Ifediri, God will help you. God will surely help that boy.
At this point, I thought it was better I was dead. My mother caused me twice. I was living a nightmare.
Look at the boy that called himself my son. Look at them. Look at my son. Look at the time. When you should have been at the farm, farming, doing laborer work to bring money for your mother to eat. Lazy idiot. I hate you. I hate you. Bastard son. You call yourself my son, yet you don't know your mother. I'm a very wicked woman. I am as wicked as a snake, a viper, a dangerous viper. If I sting you, you will not survive my venom. Nenunka, iwu wurike pongazo. Na larola nikiti efie. Gabo ahihia, weed, and bring money. Nenike, ataramunu. Monkey they walk, but the chop. Dala, ijata bulu. He's sleeping again. I cursed you. I cursed you in your entire life. You keep going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. That is your portion. You keep going from one problem to the other. You never know peace in your life. Since you have chosen to sleep when others are working, causing me so much pain, I curse you. Rubbish.
Mama, what is it? Mama, what is it? Why are you cursing me? I reject it, Mama. If I've ever wronged you in any way, please forgive me. I am your son, Mama. Forgive me.
You are my bastard son. Say it, bastard son. Oh, you think you can win me over with your stupid crocodile tears? Tears from such people like you cannot move me. Because it's not from your heart. Eh? I curse you. I curse you. You'll never know peace in your entire life. Or you think my curse will not perform what I sent it to do? It doesn't return void. Anybody I curse it follows the person. In fact, if I were you, I want to go from this village and not come back again. Bastard son. I curse you. It is because of you my brother is tormenting my life. If you didn't come, would you torment my life? You'd have stayed wherever you came from and give me my peace. Stupid.
I couldn't sleep that night. I left the compound. I kept moving towards an unknown direction. I tried to settle in different places. troubles of my life wouldn't let me. Each time I hustle for survival, I end up in the police cell. Until one day, I had an encounter which demanded my life.
Good afternoon.
Please don't get annoyed. I just want to remind you that the time I was breaking the firewood yesterday, you remember now that you left. I just want to tell you I finished breaking the firewood and I left too. And that that I'm here, that I want to remind you that you will pay me the money for the firewood that I broke yesterday. That is why I'm here. See, it's complete. If you go and check now, everything I break before I leave yesterday.
Fine. I don't remember your face. Shall I give you the work?
Yes.
Say when you break the firewood.
Thank you.
Now me go confirm whether you don't do the job or not. Now when you don't do the job, I go don't confirm. I go pay you.
Shaman, that is what I'm saying. I say I come to tell you that I finish everything. I break everything. So I said, let me just console you. Will give me money for my work.
You know they hear something? You don't work. Work what I give you.
Yes.
I never confirm how I want to pay you. And I no go here.
Chairman, see, your boy is loyal. You know, I finish the work. I cannot lie. I say, let me just give me something so I will use to chop now. Hey. I've not eaten since morning. It's just mom. Okay, you know what? I don't want to stress you. You are a very good chairman. Okay, just give me advance so that I can chop. Let me just chop, eat something in my stomach. I can come for the balance anytime. Next week or upper week I will. But please, I beg.
Okay. You never eat since morning.
Since morning, nothing. Believe me, I can't lie to see. Nothing.
Nothing will do you. Waiting I know they like now to give people half payment. Immediately I confirm your work, I will give you full payment. You no go die today. Even though you no eat today, you no go die. Just go.
Okay, chairman.
Just go.
Chairman, okay, see, don't pay yet.
You self na chairman, not dey worry me. I say I go confirm your work.
Okay, chairman, just buy food for me and minus it later now, please.
Now tell me say I no dey pay you half payment. No dey touch me.
I trek for far.
Go later we go talk.
Please now, please. Let me just eat.
Later I go call you.
This now, God, please now.
I say later go.
But I need to.
I dey chop later I go call you.
Hey God. How? Please, I'm begging you. Please now.
You be good again now.
Please, I'm begging you.
Let's still come back.
I want to chop.
You still come back.
Please now, please let me chop. Chairman.
No, get something. Look, we see. What could poor you see? Just imagine. You help them come crime.
my fire, who will pay for me? Who will pay me? No, don't carry that. Don't carry that.
Please, what is your name?
My name is Ifediri.
Ifediri, please forgive us. This is how innocent people die. Where do you stay?
I really don't have a particular place where I stay.
Where do you sleep?
In completed buildings. I just wander around. Anywhere I get to at night, I sleep.
Completed building?
Yes, on completed buildings.
This is sad. What of your parents?
I don't have a father. And my mother, she's been very unfair to me. She calls me a bastard.
Bastard?
Yes, sir. So I got very uncomfortable with that, and I decided to leave the house to find and fulfill my destiny.
Your own mother called you a bastard?
Yes, sir.
God, this is bad. God, Angel. God. Tina! Tina!
Yes, Daddy.
No, Bia, please come. The mother will also go wow.
Daddy, you called.
Please take him to the bus quarter and call us in Ngozi to take care of him.
Alright, Daddy.
I beg you, what's up?
It's okay, Daddy. I will.
Thank you.
Go and eat. But Ngozi will take care of you.
Hot.
Yeah, who's there?
It's me. Tina.
Oh, Tina.
Oh. Hi.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine. I'm good.
Still feeling any pains?
Just a minor pain here. But I'll be fine.
It's okay. I am going to the shop.
Okay.
And your food is actually in the kitchen by the left.
Oh, thank you very much.
It's okay.
I'll pick it up.
Alright.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Take care of yourself. Take care. Should I just take this money and settle myself? Life is so difficult. Yes. This will solve my problem, at least for now. But on the second thought, this is unfair. This is stealing. I'd rather return it.
Who is that?
It's me, Ifediri, sir.
No, come in.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Where did you see that money? Oh, you stole my money!
No, sir. I didn't steal your money, sir.
Give me that money!
Sir, I didn't steal your money. I'm not a thief. It's not what you're thinking. I saw the money beside the door at the boys' quarters. Not knowing who it belongs to, I decided to bring it to you, sir. I'm not a thief. Believe me.
Ifediri, sit down. Sit down. I said sit down. Ifediri, see, you're not a thief. You just passed a trial that will change your life forever. I will send you to my ex-wife in UK to go and study and become somebody in your life.
I don't understand, sir.
Ifediri, come on, don't cry.
Sir,
God has remembered you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. I don't know how to thank you. Me, to the United Kingdom, to school.
Don't worry.
Thank you, sir.
Don't worry.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. I don't know how to thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. God will reward you, sir. God will bless you, sir. Everything you are looking for in this life, sir, God will give it to you double fold. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Don't worry. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. Yeah? Get up. When Tina comes back, she will take you to the main building. You're now part of me, part of us.
Thank you, sir.
It's okay.
This is like a dream to me, sir.
It's okay.
Oh, God, thank you. Just like that.
Yeah, I'm very happy for you. Like, I am so happy for you.
Thank you very much. You know what?
What?
I never knew the visa process would be this. I mean, I never anticipated it. I thought it was going to run into weeks or months. Before the blink of an eye, the visa is out. I can't be. It's like a dream to me. So, Ifediri will be going to the UK.
You're not actually dreaming.
Tell me I'm dreaming.
It's real.
Oh, tell me I
Reality.
am dreaming.
Okay, hold on. Wait.
I'm not dreaming.
You're not dreaming. I'm really happy for you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. And all thanks to your dad. And you. Thank you for the role you played. I truly appreciate that.
If I did.
What is it?
I like you.
I like you too.
Really?
You do?
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Missing you already.
Me too. Promise not to forget me.
Hey, come on, babe. I promise I will never forget you. Okay? You and your dad, both of you saved my life. I'd have been dead by now. I love you. And I will always love you.
Ifediri! Ifediri, where are you?
I'm right here.
Oh, okay. I bet quick. So that you will not miss your flight.
Dad.
And that was it. It was like a miracle. For 5 years. 5 good years. I was studying and doing business in England. By the time I was ready to return to Nigeria, I was already a millionaire. So good to be home. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Never does not, but not to get that. I still will not get that to the guys.
Don't worry. I will do that.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Shall we?
Yeah. Tell me you're fine. Tina told me everything. You're the only father I know. Why did you decide to hide this from me?
Son, I don't want you to be sad. I only want to pass away in peace. I blame the doctor for telling Tina.
I love you. I love you, Father.
I love you too, my son. Let's share love. Everything will be okay.
Everything will be fine. Yes. Everything will be fine.
What is it for?
Engagement ring. It's for Tina.
I'm glad you two found love.
Hi, Daddy. Good afternoon, Daddy.
You left in my presence. No way.
Ife, what are you hiding? Dad, where's going on? Yes, I'm marrying you. I'm marrying you, yes. Oh, God. Please. Thank you.
Mom, I want both of you to have my blessings.
Thank you, sir.
Daddy, thank you.
Ifediri,
sir,
it is the time you go home and visit him.
Father, on the contrary, I don't think I want to go back home. As a matter of fact, I don't have a home. This is my home. I'm scared. They might hurt me.
Ifediri atago ego. Ibutegi ego. Go home and see your people that need you, especially your mother. You are their Messiah now.
I have to think about it. Just give me some days, let me think about it. Okay, Father, because left for me, I don't want to go there anymore. These people will get to me. I was nobody to them. I was nobody, Father. He has to give.
Daddy, what is it? Daddy, please.
Father.
Daddy, open your eyes, Dad.
Father.
Daddy, open your eyes.
Father.
Daddy.
Father.
Daddy, open your eyes, please.
Father.
What's going on here? What's happening? Daddy, what is this? Dad, please. Dad, Dad, what is going on? Dad.
We have to take him to the hospital. No! Let me get the car keys.
Daddy, open your eyes. Daddy, no. Daddy, not now, please. Daddy, Dad, no, Daddy, please. Daddy, open your eyes, please. Daddy, not now. Daddy, please. Daddy, what's wrong with you? Dad. I can't believe my dad is gone.
It's okay, baby. It's okay. Listen to me. Just listen to me, okay? Please, I want you to understand nothing. Father is gone. Yes. But life goes on, okay? He has lived his life. He's in a happy place right now. Okay? Please don't cry. You have to stop crying, okay? Please. Please. Sweetheart, please stop crying, okay? Believe me. Your get in a better place right now. But you. Okay? It's on us now to raise this next generation, okay?
Are you going now?
Yes, I'm stepping out. I'll be right back, okay? Hold on. There seems to be a high demand on this radio.
Yes, sir.
So far people are selling.
Okay.
Business is business, eh?
No problem.
Take care.
Bye-bye, sir.
Oga Ifediri, do you recognize me?
No, I don't. Who are you?
But I know you very well. Like 5 years ago. Well, you're a big man now. I guess you are the owner of this hotel.
Yes, I'm the owner of this hotel. One name, please. Go straight to the point, okay? I don't have all the time to waste. Who are you? And how may I help you?
Okay, think back. I was the boy that snatched Tina's phone and put it on you. My name is Uchenna.
5 years ago.
Yes.
It was you. You have the boldness to come here. What is wrong with you? Do you know I can get you arrested?
You cannot, because I have my way.
You almost killed me.
Now I want to forget that. Let me far, I have Tina's nude picture on my phone. If you don't settle me with 1 million, I'll get the picture spread all over the world, all over the internet.
I see. It's been 5 years. 5 good years, and one might be thinking you have changed from being a tout. But if this still interests you, just stay put, okay? I will tell you the stuff I'm made of. Let me call the police, come and bundle you out of this place right now. I don't have time for nonsense.
Hey! Before you do that, I have something to show you. If you joke with me,
Hi, baby. Uncle. How are you and how was the day today? Baby. 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 What happened? You're looking so unhappy.
Who the hell is Uchenna? You heard me right! Don't play deaf here. Tell me! Who the hell is Uchenna?
Baby, please calm down, okay?
Now don't you dare pacify me, okay? Tell me. Who is he?
Baby, I am not talking until you're calm. I am not going to say a word until you're calm, really.
Oh, really? I see.
Baby! Babe! Oh, God. Not this time. Babe! Baby, please! Babe, hold on, please!
He's not picking up. He's not picking up. God, please. Where has Ifediri gone to? Where has he gone to, Lord? Please. God, please protect him from me. I beg you. Where do I go from here, God?
Where is she? I thought as much. She has gone to see him. Shameless one. She has gone to see him. She can go and see him. I don't care anymore. Ah.
Babe.
Where the hell are you coming from? Huh?
I went to look for you.
Oh, good. You have gone to see him, right? You're here to tell me lies. You've gone to see him, right? How do you like him touching you? Playing with you about that? Huh? Tell me. How? Don't you say a word, okay? And don't you dare come close to me.
Baby, please. Oh my god, babe,
leave me alone.
Baby, please. Babe, I'm sorry.
Just leave me alone, okay?
Babe, I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry. Baby, please.
Leave me alone.
Babe, please. Babe, please, I'm sorry.
I'm not asking for your sorry, okay? Just
it's
let me.
Babe, sit. Babe, just calm down, please.
You can go back to him, okay? I'm good. I'm fine. I'm not complaining, okay?
Baby, can I talk to you? Please. You see, it all happened when I noticed you were dating that white girl in London. And we quarreled. We weren't talking for over a month. You remember?
Please go straight to the point.
Then this happened.
Somebody sorry, I'll give you anything you want. I'll give you any amount you want. Please. Somebody help! Somebody help! Somebody help! Somebody help!
He presented himself as a gentleman. I believed him, and we dated for a week.
That guy, Uchenna, is the same guy that almost killed me when he snatched your phone 5 years ago before I left this country.
Oh my God. Oh my God. I said it. I said it. Yes. I said it. I knew him from somewhere. But then, I could not place it. It was later I discovered the rape incident was actually planned by Uchenna.
What?
Yes. But then, it was too late. Unknowingly to me, he had already taken pictures of my nudity while we were dating.
That guy's a monster. I'll make sure I deal with him.
I'm sorry, babe.
Alpha.
Do you care for a drink?
Drink? Nah, we are talking about money here. I'm saying drink. Please.
Well, my fiancé said you should come by 4 p.m. to collect the 1 million cash.
Now you are talking. I hope you are not joking with me. Nah. Gina digi malongo no. Una me kona kam. E my family.
I can do anything for you.
Ifediri, go home. Ifediri, go home. Your mother lives. Ifediri, go!
Babe, what is it? Babe, what happened? Talk to me, please. What is it?
I had a dream.
A dream?
Yes. Your father appeared to me in my dream.
My dad?
Yes.
Wow. Did he say anything to you?
Yes. He asked me to go back home.
Maybe it's high time you went home. Yes. Baby, I would like to meet your mother. Yes, I want to meet your mother. Okay. Please.
Hey, sweetheart! Baby! Come on, let's go. Come on now. Please, hurry up. You know you are the one asking me to do this. Do you want to change my mind? Please do, okay? Thank you. I love you. Baby, come on! Oh, thank goodness you're here already. Ah.
Thank you.
What's keeping you there?
I was trying to let go.
I see.
Yeah.
That's good.
You know what? I am so excited about this.
Really?
Yeah, really. Babe.
Yeah.
What is it?
I'm so nervous. I can't tell what I'm going to meet there.
Well, don't worry. Everything will be fine.
You sure?
Everything will be fine. So don't be nervous. Alright? So.
Okay.
Can you smile? Yeah. Yeah.
Onye? Onye? Ana m abịa. Who is that?
It's me! Ifediri! Yes, it's me!
Ifediri.
Yes, of course. I'm back.
You're looking so grown. Hey!
Open the gate, please!
Ifediri. Hey! Ifediri.
Yes, Mama. Your son is back. Ifediri is back! Mama, you look so good.
Thank you. Where have you been? What happened?
I've been in London, yes.
London?
It's a long story, Mama. Don't worry, I'll tell you everything. Everything, I promise.
London?
Yes.
I looked for you everywhere. I didn't see you.
I know how you feel.
Welcome.
Thank you very much.
Welcome.
Welcome. Is this
Thank you very much. Yes, Mama.
So I now have a car in this house.
Mama, where is Divine?
Oh, Divine, she's now in the university. She's gone back to school.
Oh, really? Wow, that's great.
Welcome home.
Thank you, Mama. A lot has passed through the waters, but by the time we settle down, I will narrate everything to you, Mama. Everything. Come on, Mama, it's okay.
So now I have a big car in my house.
Of course, you have more than this, okay? Mama, it's okay. Let's go inside now. In fact, no. Mama, let me spoil you a little. Let me spoil you a little. Let me spoil my mother a little. Mama, your son has made money. Your son has made money. Mama, let me polish you with money. First thing first. Mama, the mama, your son is back. Yes, your son is back.
God.
Mama,
thank you.
You want to make me cry, please. I don't want to shed a tear.
And I'm happy I'm seeing you today.
I'm more than happy.
It's okay. God, thank you.
Mama.
I've been using one eye to look at this girl since you came. Who is she?
Oh, Mama. Meet Tina. Tina is my wife to be. Yes, Mama.
Hey!
As a matter of fact, our late dad was very, very, very helpful to me. I mean, it would be correct for me to say our father was a huge part of my success today.
Oh! Is it bad? Hello.
Mama.
Mama, you're welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
Amen.
Oh? Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Oh, that reminds me. What about Uncle Ebuchi?
Uncle Mochi.
Ifediri, your uncle is dead.
Uncle Ebuchi is dead? When? How?
It's a long story.
Ifediri, I am so sorry. The way we treated you, I know we treated you wrongly. I am very sorry. Please, forgive me.
She's a changed person now. She's no longer that wicked. Eh? That is why you see us relating well. So forgive her.
Oh, Bagara.
Forgive her. I've been in the bananas all around.
Bagara Zie. Oh, no. Biko. Bagara.
It's okay.
It was too much to bear.
It's okay. Let it go.
I'll try.
Let it go.
I'll try.
For my sake, let it go. Oh?
Okay, Mama. For your sake, I will let it go.
Good. Thank you.
Oh, God.
Go.
It's okay. It's okay, stand up. It's okay. Stand up.
Thank you. Thank you.
I forgive you. I forgive you for everything.
Thank you so much. God bless you.
Bless you too.
Ifediri,
Uncle,
I'm so happy to see you again.
thank you. And I'm equally very happy to see you again. More than happy. You're a good man, Uncle. God bless you for everything.
Thank you.
Everything. God bless you.
Obum yere. So mad.
So, Uncle, please, I want you to tell me what actually happened to Uncle Abuchi.
Bro Abuchi died mysteriously in his shrine after confessing his atrocities.
Ojukwu Akeke, I'm disappointed in you. Look at your servant. Look at me. From everything I was doing for you, if you ask for goat, I will give you goat. If you ask for fowl, I will give you fowl. Look at me. Look at my leg. I'm rotten. I'm now an object of caricature before people. No, I'm disappointed. No! Why? Why did you allow this thing to happen to me? Why did you allow? Look at people laughing me around. Eh? Hi. Hi. I thought you had power. I know that you don't have power. Look at what happened to your servant. Look at what happened to me. In short, Hey! Hey! I killed you because I want to inherit the landed property. I'm sorry, Baba, please don't kill me. I put a limit between Gloria and her children. Hey! I killed Chineke because she wanted us to share the property. Oh, I'm sorry. Please don't kill me. Please, please, please don't kill me. Please, no. Hey! No!
So, Auntie Chineke is dead too?
Yes, sir.
Very sad.
Chineke. Oh.
Who could have believed this? Who?
Nobody.
So, after all, it was Uncle Abuchi who manipulated my mother and my sister against me.
Are you just realizing that? Your uncle has been evil. Has always been a wicked man. Do you know he so manipulated me that he put his spirit in me to curse and hate you?
I thought as much. Mama, I thought as much. I mean, I was... Something was telling me inside. I said, this is not ordinary. I said to myself, this is not ordinary. I mean, how could my own mother, my biological mother, raining curses on me? My instinct told me something was wrong, but I just couldn't pinpoint it.
It was difficult.
So it was Uncle Abuchi. Mama, remember, he told me that over his dead body should I return home. But look at it today, where I am today.
You're back.
I'm back. And where is he?
He's dead.
He's dead. Is God not awesome? Is God not wonderful?
But that is the way of the wicked. They'll never go unpunished.
Hey, Ifediri. Your wife to be is so beautiful. You're welcome.
Yes, she is. Thank you, Uncle. You know, in our family, when it comes to chosen wives, we know how to do it better. Of course, we go for the beautiful ones with wonderful characters. Am I lying? Look at Mama now. Am I just look at Mama.
Stop.
Isn't she beautiful? Eh? Envy of all women.
Oh,
that's my mother. Uncle, let me use this medium to say thank you once more. I appreciate everything that you have been doing. Please, let me appreciate you some more. Okay? Please. This is a check for 2 million naira. Yes. Please accept it. Please. It's a 2 million. Accept it, please.
See that cannot be.
Hey!
I use it to open any business of your choice. Okay?
Hey! You hear them mad, Yo!
Okay. We should be on our way, Uncle. Time to go.
I don't know what to say. But my God will continue to bless you. He will continue to bless you. He will continue to bless you.
Amen.
Until you're tired of the blessings.
Amen.
Hey!
I won't get tired of the blessings.
Ifedema, 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 Oluomaka, Ifedema, 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 Ifedili ebuti, Ifedema, Ifedema, Gloria,
Mama the mama! Oh, you're too much, Mama. You're too much.
Let me pick my
It's all yours. Let me help you to pick your body.
Gloria Fuego. Is this really money? No, me rugaya. Chineke abiyamo otua. Hey! Oh. Hey! See money. Let me pack it here.
Yes, sir.
Ifediri nwam.
Mama.
Hey! Omuntoge. That is shame on you. If I had died by now, will I see this?
You will always see this.
But as I am living in the land of the living, I keep seeing good.
No.
You deserve it. Hey, Gloria. One mmadụ. Ife dị mma ruo m aka. Now welcome. Welcome, ma'am.
See this one is the wife he's going to marry and bring for me.
Huh?
I have daughter-in-law on the way. That's the game.
Your wife? Mbori akum. Nne, come. Biada mobi, mwam. Oh, nne, welcome. Yeah, mama. Welcome. Oh. Hey, mwa chapo popo. Hey. If I didn't want it's a good choice. I like her.
I have come to say to appreciate you for everything that you've done for us. You know you're like a second mother to me. So when I came and I said, no, I will not take off my clothes that I used to come to this village, I told Mama, I said, oh, we come and say thank you. Yes, because the discipline that you inculcated in me helps me a lot in my life and through my path to success. Thank you very much, Mama. Thank you. I am here to appreciate you, and I want to appreciate you. Yes.
Ifediri, you have not changed a bit. Hey. So this is how life is.
Oh, Chuku.
Hey.
On a dim makesi boni shitari on.
Ogbeni, have you seen it?
You understand that proverb well.
I understand.
Good. I am the only see.
Where
was the hope? Was there any hope in you?
I'm telling you, this God is awesome.
He's my God. He's my God. Let me
That's a check for 2 million naira.
Check 2 million. For you.
What are you saying? 2 million naira. 2 million naira.
You are worth more than that, please. Please manage it. Please.
Sister, don't cry.
This is too much.
Don't cry. Sister, don't cry.
Hello.
This is too much for me.
Nothing is too much for you.
Hey, Ifediri, you are adding more life to my life.
Yes. Stop. It's okay. It's okay.
Hey, Gloria, one
Okay. It is for good.
God, I thank you. Oh. Continue to increase in her.
Eh?
Let me go and enjoy small. Eh?
Go and enjoy.
Suffering is too much.
But it's over.
Eh? Oh.
Those ugly days are over.
Amen.
Auntie, it's time to go.
I'm missing you people.
I'll miss you already.
Oh my goodness.
Stay blessed, stay close.
God will protect you.
Amen.
Guide you all. Long life, prosperity.
Amen.
He will add you, increase you in all areas of your life.
Amen.
In Jesus' name.
Amen.
Please take good care of them.
Sure.
Sister, don't be going to farm too much. If you farm small, work small, you come to the city and stay with me.
Gloria.
I will see sister.
I will do that. It's okay. Bye bye.
Stay well.
Mama, let's go. Is she running away?
I'm missing my sister.
I know you're missing your sister. Poor me that doesn't have a sister.
See your sister now. Take good care of yourself. Take care of my sister.
All right, Mama.
Bye bye, you do man.
Okay, Mama.
Safe journey.
Okay. I ended up getting married to Tina. And my precious mother stays with us now. As for Divine, I sent her to England to further education. This is my story. Let it inspire you. Let it motivate you. Never say die. Life is good.
God, thank you for your time.
You're welcome. Thank you very much for planning to make a movie out of my story. I truly appreciate that.